Next step is I want to sand everything lightly. I'm using some, I don't know what grit this is. Let's see here. It doesn't say. It's really fine. It's wet or dry sandpaper. It just scuffs up the surface a little bit for the solder to stick, and when I age them, it'll also help that stick to the metal also. I'll just go over the whole fish, this side and this side also. Safety first, put on some goggles. Have some pre-tinning paste flux, had this forever. It cleans the metal, helps the solder stick better. Just put a little bit on the body of this trout and on the back side of this fin. And I'm using solder safe. Lead-free solder, must be about 3/16 diameter. Don't know a lot about solder, but this stuff seems to work real well. I'm gonna light my torch. Hold it there for a minute. Yeah, actually not a minute, a few seconds. Solder gets hard. There you go. Don't touch this fish for 15 minutes. The metal gets really warm.